Hey guys, got a review today on a light source that I've been looking at for my iPhone. This is called the Comiray multifunctional mini LED video light. I got this as a gift, but it's from Amazon, so I'll put a link below. I'm not entirely sure the cost of it either, but I'll put a link below so you can have a look at that yourself. So this is a light that you can plug straight onto like a camera, or you can use it on your phone, or you can use it on a kind of tripod thing or a selfie stick, and it's just so that it enhances your pictures to give you an extra source of light, because sometimes when you're filming you can be in shadow, and having a decent source of light is going to give you better pictures. So what you get with this, I've literally just got this and just opened it up, so I haven't seen any of this stuff myself. So what we have is a warranty card, we have some instructions, but to be honest it looks pretty straightforward to use. On most of it's in another language anyway. Yeah, it shows you how to clip it on with a holder onto your phone, which is probably what I'm going to be doing anyway most of the time, and that's pretty much it. And what you get in the box is obviously the device for clipping it to your phone. You get the actual light itself, which has got a really small footprint, it's not very big at all. And what else do we get in here? So we get some filters for the light, so that's pretty cool. So you can give yourself some different filters depending on what kind of light conditions you want, and also a USB charger. I don't know if this has got any charge on it. Let's have a look. So we've got USB, mini USB on the side. We've got, so they increase and decrease the illumination. And on the top you've got a power source. So if I switch it on, oh crikey, that is bright. Right, so that's pretty bright. Let me just turn it down without blinding everyone. Let's have a look. Cool. It's hard to see on camera, but it is turning that down, so that's significantly dimmer than it was. So I'm going to point it away just so you can see it. So I'm going to now increase it, and you can see that, yeah, that's lighting up the blanket. It's really, really bright. That's really good actually. Very, very nice bright light source. If I just show you actually what I'll do, I'll switch it off. And if I just show you over here on this wall, that might help. So I'll switch it on so you can just give you an idea. That's without it. If I now switch it on, you can see that's really made that very, very bright. And I'll just turn it down a couple of notches and you kind of see that going down. It's hard to see it in the light, but it is very, very bright. That's really good. So yeah, cool. Nice and easy to use. Already got a charge in it, which is great. And yeah, looks pretty straightforward. Any questions guys, as always, put them in the comments. Cheers, bye.